Here I have Samsung Galaxy A6 Plus, and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by opening the screen that you want to capture. In my case it could be the calendar, and let's just assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I have to do is use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys, and as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. So let me show you again. Let's hold down together power key and volume down, and you just save the following screen. You can also use other method of taking screenshot. Let's just swipe your hand on your screen. Let me show you. And you just save your screen. Let me show you again. Let's swipe your hand, and you just save the following picture. So if you would like to share, edit or delete taking screenshots, let's open the screenshot folder. You can do it by using upper bar and by choosing screenshot captured right here, or you can also accomplish that by using your home screen, selecting the gallery, choose pictures, or for example choose albums to choose the screenshot folder, and now you can share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with the following pictures. So basically everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.